So guys, Maximus Dude 167 right here, and I'm here. Today's John's birthday, so everybody comment down below, happy birthday, John. Just get the gel. Get the gel. I'll see you guys when my hair's done. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and it's gonna be done. 1, 2, 3. Yay, my hair's done. Well, not really. I needed more water. Happy birthday to John. We're going swimming. As you guys can see, we decorated some right there. There's stuff of it. What the? What was my tail doing? But let me show you guys what's outside. Where did John go? Yeah, guys, so we decorated it. Johnny's 15. John, where are you? Here you are. Just watching SpongeBob. Wow, John. Do you guys like his controller? So his party's gonna happen like in a few, like in an hour. It's almost 3. I don't know if I'm gonna record. Maybe. Yeah, we'll just be. Yeah. So just say happy birthday to John, and comment down below happy birthday. And if you subscribe to me, I will subscribe to you, as I always say. Leave a like on this video if you're happy about John being 15. And comment happy birthday, John. So we'll see you guys. Huh?
What? What did you say earlier? About me?
That aren't you guys excited that John is turning 15?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So everybody comment down below happy birthday, John.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.
That's what she said.